Hi, this is John without ATI, and this is hands down one of the best supplements that I had that has helped me with my skin, with my nails, my hair, and overall helping with supporting my my health. This is the Biotin by Puritan's Pride, but at the same time, one of the things that I like the most about this is so easy to get your intake of biotin. This is a soft gel that is just easy to take, not too big, not too chunky. It's haven't got any problem with my digestion. So I would drink this at the end of the night with all of my other supplements that I get. So normally around 9 or 10, I would take like all of my supplements. And just this guy I've never had any angry stomach or any problem with my digestion overall. So to support or to help with your nails or your skin or your health of your hair, biotin, it could be a great help. So this was John with ATI, and that was my point.